Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the 2017 second generation iPad Pro. This is the 12.9-inch model, 64 gigs. And on my last video, I explained why I chose this model instead of the third generation. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Like any other boxes, first you have to remove the seal, so we are going to remove it. And it's very satisfying and it feels really good. Let's see what's inside the box. So there you have it. You have the iPad. Let's take that out. I have to say, it feels really good. And as you see, you have the booklets, instruction manual, nothing much, and the charging brick. I was expecting this to comes with a charging brick that an iPhone does. And then you have the USB cable. Yeah, so there's nothing much it. Very simple unboxing, like all the other iPad, and but the iPad feels really good in hand, really light, and I will be making a second video of how this thing works. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.